Ever wondered how to make that special someone miss you like crazy? Picture this. You meet someone, sparks fly, but then what? How do you keep that flame burning without suffocating it? Today I'm going to unravel the mystery behind making any woman miss you so badly that she can't help but reach out to you first. From being the busy bee to mastering the art of social media allure, buckle up as we dive into the ultimate guide on making her crave your presence. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Be the busy guy. Being the busy guy doesn't mean ignoring her. It means having a life outside of your relationship. Maintain your friendships, hobbies, and personal goals. Show her that you're a well-rounded individual with interests and passions beyond just her. This not only keeps you from appearing needy, but also makes you more attractive and intriguing. When you have exciting things going on in your life, she'll naturally be drawn to your energy and want to be a part of it. So, stay active, pursue your passions, and let her see that you have a life worth missing. Number 2. Avoid the me syndrome. Avoid dominating conversations with self-centered topics. Instead, show genuine interest in her life, thoughts, and opinions. Actively listen and ask questions that encourage her to share more about herself. By demonstrating empathy and understanding, you create a meaningful connection built on mutual respect. Remember, a balanced conversation involves both give and take. Showing genuine interest in her world not only makes her feel valued, but also distinguishes you as a thoughtful and considerate partner. So next time you're chatting, make it about her too, and watch as she appreciates your genuine interest in her. Number 3. Use social media to your advantage. Harness the power of social media to showcase your personality and interests. Share moments from your life that highlight your hobbies, adventures, and sense of humor. Engage with her posts by liking, commenting, and sharing, but avoid overwhelming her with constant notifications. Keep your interactions light, fun, and genuine, leaving her curious to learn more about you. Social media provides a platform to stay connected and spark interest, so use it wisely to create intrigue and leave a lasting impression. With the right balance of authenticity and charm, you'll have her eagerly anticipating your next post or message. Number 4. Be Mr. Mysterious. Embrace the allure of mystery by gradually revealing layers of your personality. Avoid laying out all your cards at once. Instead, keep her intrigued by sharing tidbits of your life over time. Let her wonder about your passions, dreams, and experiences, creating a sense of intrigue and anticipation. By maintaining an air of mystery, you captivate her imagination and keep her guessing. Remember, it's the enigmatic allure that leaves her yearning to unravel the mysteries of your personality. So, embrace the intrigue and let her curiosity fuel her desire to know more about the intriguing man you are. Number 5. Be honest. Honesty forms the foundation of trust and intimacy in any relationship. Be genuine about your thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Avoid the temptation to embellish or hide aspects of yourself to impress her. Authenticity fosters a deeper connection and allows for open communication. By being honest, you create a safe space for vulnerability and emotional intimacy to flourish. Whether it's sharing your fears, aspirations, or past experiences, honesty breeds authenticity and strengthens the bond between you. So be truthful, transparent, and genuine in your interactions, and watch as she admires and respects your integrity. Number 6. Don't annoy her with calls. Respect her personal space by refraining from bombarding her with incessant calls or messages. Instead, prioritize quality over quantity in your communication. Consider her schedule and preferences before reaching out, ensuring your interactions enhance her day. Allow her the freedom to engage with you at her own pace without feeling overwhelmed or pressured. By respecting her boundaries, you demonstrate maturity and consideration, fostering a healthy and balanced connection. Strike a balance between staying in touch and giving her space to miss you. This approach not only maintains her interest, but also strengthens the bond between you, making your interactions more meaningful and enjoyable. Number 7. Be fun. Infuse excitement into your time together by proposing unique date ideas or spontaneous adventures. Surprise her with activities that showcase your adventurous spirit and zest for life. Whether it's exploring new hiking trails, trying out a cooking class, or embarking on a weekend getaway, keep the energy upbeat and engaging. Showcasing your playful side creates lasting memories and strengthens your bond. By sharing enjoyable experiences, you deepen your connection and keep her eagerly anticipating your next adventure. So, don't shy away from stepping outside your comfort zone and embracing the joy of shared experiences with her. Number 8. Don't be too direct. While it's important to express your feelings, avoid overwhelming her with excessive affection or declarations of love too soon. Instead, let your actions speak louder than words, allowing the connection to deepen organically over time. Show your interest through subtle gestures of kindness, support, and appreciation. By maintaining a sense of mystery and intrigue, you keep her curious and intrigued, eager to uncover more about you. Remember, building a meaningful connection takes time and patience, so allow the relationship to unfold naturally without rushing or forcing it. Embrace the journey of discovery together and let your genuine affection shine through in your actions. Number 9. Don't be a stalker. Resist the urge to constantly monitor her social media activity or inundate her with excessive attention. While it's natural to be curious about her life, avoid crossing the line into obsessive behavior. Give her the space and freedom to live her life without feeling scrutinized or suffocated. Instead, focus on building trust and fostering open communication in your relationship. Show genuine interest in her experiences and perspectives during your interactions, rather than relying solely on online observation. By respecting her privacy and boundaries, you demonstrate maturity and respect, laying the foundation for a healthy and trusting connection built on mutual understanding and appreciation. Number 10. Be a reliable dude. Demonstrate your reliability by being there for her when she needs support or assistance. Whether it's offering a listening ear during tough times or providing practical help, show her that she can count on you. Be proactive in your efforts to contribute positively to her life, showing genuine care and concern for her well-being. By consistently demonstrating reliability and dependability, you build trust and strengthen your bond. Your willingness to be there for her in both good times and bad instills a sense of security and comfort, making her feel valued and cherished in the relationship. So, be the reliable partner she can always rely on, and watch your connection flourish. Mastering the art of making any woman miss you isn't about playing games or manipulating emotions. It's about fostering genuine connections, mutual respect, and shared experiences. By being authentic, respectful, and attentive to her needs, you can create a bond that leaves her longing for your presence. So embrace these tips, stay true to yourself, and let the magic of attraction unfold naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, the key to igniting desire lies within you. Until next time, happy wooing.